So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and interesting tutorial, where in this quick tutorial we're going to discuss how you can convert or save the object or the workspace that you have been created on the Blender and open it as a FBX file format, or you can save it as a FBX file format. So you can open it again on the FBX software, that is the file supported version on that particular software. So you just simply need to open your Blender workspace. Now for example, if I created this donut like shape and if I want to open this on the FBX for software, I just simply need to hit this option of file over there, over the left top corner. Just simply click there, and here you're gonna find on this option of on this window, you're gonna find this option of export. And when you hover your mouse over there, you're gonna find this again a small window where a lot of options are there, and you don't need to find more. You're gonna find this option of FBX, which is the .fbx file format. Just simply click there, and when you click this, now it will ask for the location of the save or the path of the saving the object, and here you're gonna find this option of untitled .fbx. You can again rename this, and .fbx is the file format. Once you are done with your changes, just simply hit export FBX, and it will start to export and save. Now the file is created in the .fbx file format, so you can open it on the FBX software. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for having such more helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.